Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the adjustments of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just tap on a project that we want to edit, then tap on the clip that we want to edit, then in the bottom row swipe to the right, and here we have adjust. Now we have a few guides, and then we can just go through these settings: brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, and yeah, then step by step adjust these settings like so. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.